Hello my dear students, welcome to CP Live English Medium. So how are you all? Let me know who is online right now. Hello Saundarya, hello Muhammad, hello Shubham, hello Lakshya, hello Manjeet Singh, hello Jyoti. So I welcome you all in this amazing quiz of motion in one dimension. As you all know, we have completed this chapter, and today we are going to take this quiz session, and all of you are supposed to submit me answers using a software of Menti. Okay, so oh yes, Lakshya, you will get prize. Hello Lakshya, hello Shubham, hello Lokesh, hello Aman. So let me know, are you ready? All of you, are you ready for this quiz? See, to attempt this quiz, as you know, the subject is physics, so you will not be able to answer these questions orally, so you need a pen and paper for rough work. Okay, so let's start this quiz. Okay, Manjeet Singh is very excited, he is ready. Good. So, see, to participate in this quiz, what you have to do, you have to submit the answers. Okay, and you cannot submit the answers. Yes, wait Shubham, you cannot submit the answers from this live chat. Okay, you will submit the answers from an online software known as Menti Quiz. So let me explain you how to submit these answers. So listen. First of all, you have to go to this website menti.com, and you have to use this code 5133005. Okay? Where is this? So before starting, let me introduce all of you to our toppers of this NEET exam. These 4 students has secured top 50 rank in this previous NEET exam, and these all students were from this they were studying from this app eCareerPoint. Okay, so this is very important app, especially for those who cannot study in this duration of corona. So quickly download this app. If you don't have, what you have to do, just search on this Google app eCareerPoint without any space. Okay, and you will see this app, eCareerPoint Learning App. Download and install this app. After installation, what you have to do, just what is this? Follow your experts, and then leave it. And then you will be able to attempt the questions posted by your experts. And this is the coupon code if you want to purchase any of the paid courses. Okay, let's start with Menti. See, this is how you are going to submit the answer, and I will show you the list according to the ranking of these students. Okay, so what you have to do, see this. First of all, in this Google, search Menti Join. Okay, open google.com and search Menti Join. You can open this Google in your own device or in another tab. If you have different device, you can use that different device, it will be easy. If you are on PC, just open this Google on Google in different tab and search for Menti Join. Okay, search for this Menti Join. Okay, when you search Menti Join, you will see this link, Mentimeter join a presentation. Okay, Mentimeter join a presentation. If you do not having ads, you will see this without any ads, Mentimeter join a presentation. Click on this. Okay, once you click, it will ask you to enter the code. So here you have to enter this code. What is the code? The code is 5133005. Okay, so quickly enter the code and get ready for the quiz. Okay, search on Google Menti login and login this not Menti login, Menti join. Okay, and enter this code. See, 7 students has joined, as I can see. So I want all of you to join quickly so that I can start the session. Okay. Let me tell you once what you have to do. See, first of all, search Menti join in Google and you will see Mentimeter join a presentation. You have to click on this link, Mentimeter join a presentation. Once you click link, it will ask you to enter the code, the test code. And enter this code here. What is the code? Code I have already told you, it is 5133005. Okay. Quickly enter this code. As I can see, 7 students has already entered this code. And share this session to maximum of your friends so that we can increase the competition. It will be beneficial for all of you. Okay. So are you ready for it? I'm going to start the quiz. So Lakshya Gupta, just do it again and you will see same thing. As I can see, so many students are online. So please beta quickly join this session. As I can see, only 7 students has joined this session. Quickly join this so that we can start. The code is 5133005. And where to enter the code? As I have told you, in Google, in your another device or in different tab, just enter this Menti join and you will see this research result. Mentimeter join a presentation. You have to click on this. If you are having some ads on Google, this link may be on second or third number, but you have to click on this Mentimeter join a presentation and you will see this window. Here you have to submit the code. And what is the code? Code is 5133005. Okay. So as I can see, 10 students has joined. So let us start this quiz. Okay, so these are the students who have joined. As I can see your profile pic. That is temporary. Okay, so 10 students are ready. That's good. Let's start the quiz. Answer fast to get more points. First question. A cyclist starts from center O of a particular park of radius 1 kilometer, reaches to edge P and then go to Q, then again go to O. So you have to calculate what is the net displacement and the average speed of the cyclist. This is the question and you have to submit answer in that Menti, in your mobile phone or in your other device or in your other tab in which you have opened that software, online software Menti Quiz. You will see this question and you have to submit answer there. Okay, you have to submit answer there, not here. Okay, no one of you will answer the question in live chat. All of you have to submit the answer using Menti. As I can see, 7 students has already answered. That's good. And you have only 40 seconds remaining. Okay, Lakshya, you have joined. That's good. So those who are new, those who have joined recently, don't worry better. This is the first question. Go to Menti and write this code and you will see the window to submit your answers. 9 students has already submitted the answer. That's good. Only 12 seconds remaining. Please better submit your answer quickly. Okay, Lakshya beta, don't worry. Okay, so time is up. Let's see what is the answer. See, the answer is option 4. And as I can see, some of the students has given the wrong answer. Don't worry, I will Shubham beta, 15 questions will be there. Okay, so I will discuss this. So let's see why the answer is option 4. Okay, see, this is the question. In the question, it is saying that this cyclist is going from O to P and then P to Q and then again Q to O. Then it is asking the what is the net displacement? As you can see, the initial and final location are same. So net displacement should be equals to 0. Okay. And also it is asking the average speed. What is average speed? It is total distance upon total time. It is not total displacement upon total time. Okay, this is total distance upon total time. So just calculate this distance. The radius is given as 1 kilometer. So this average velocity will be total distance. That is 1 kilometer plus 1 kilometer. That is 2. And this curved path, which is quarter of the full circumference. So it is pi r by 2. And the time is 10 minutes, which can also be written as 1 by 6 hours. So we will get average speed in kilometer per hour, that is 21.4. So answer is option 4. Is it clear? So those who did the mistake, you can see where you were lagging. Okay. So let's see the leaderboard. Let's go to the leaderboard to see who is on the top. So as you can see, this Frank has given the fastest answer, and Frank was fast. Second is Shubham Das. Third is this magical rhino. Then Aryan, Agent, Thinky, Taylor Swift, Mr. Singh, the winner, and Saundarya and Sandeep. They have not given the correct answer, so their points is 0. And this top 3 has points, as you can see. Okay, so don't worry. This is okay, Lakshya, you are Frank. Okay, see, this is the first question. So all of you have chance to improve your rank. So let's move to our next question and share this session to all of your friends so that everyone can participate. So this is the second question out of 15. Answer fast to get more points. An athlete completes one round of a circular track of radius r in 40 seconds. What will be its displacement at the end of 2 minutes and 20 seconds? Your options are 0, twice of radius, 2 pi into r, and 7 pi into r. So choose the correct option. Okay, technical Vedant is thinking. Okay, vanilla is magical rhino. Okay. So beta, share this session to all of your friends so that everyone can participate, and you have 55 seconds remaining for this. The question is very easy. Once you draw the diagram, you will be able to answer it correctly. Good. Okay, in live chat, those who have answered, let me know in live chat. How many of you have answered this question? 11 students has answered. That's good. How many of you have answered this question? Let me know. Just like Lakshya has answered. He is writing. The question is done. Okay, Lakshya beta, we will think about the prize. Aryan Dadij has answered. Lakbir has answered. That's good. Okay, only 7 seconds remaining. 11 students has answered. So after, okay, so time is up. Let's see what is the answer. Answer is option 2, but 2 students has given the wrong answer. Don't worry. I will explain what is the concept behind this question. See, the next question, that is, see, it is completing one round of a circular track of radius r in 40 seconds. So in one round, it took 40 seconds. In next 40 seconds, it will complete 2 rounds. That means 80 seconds. Then again one round, 120 seconds. Then half round, it will be here 140 seconds. So if it is starting from here, it will be the athlete. If he is starting from here, the athlete will be at a distance, at a displacement of 2 times r after 140 seconds, because 2 minutes 20 seconds means 140 seconds. 1 round in 40 seconds, 2 round in 80, 3 round in 120, and only half round in next 20 seconds, at least in total of 140 seconds. It is just in front of its initial position. So displacement is, the magnitude of displacement is the shortest distance between initial and final position. So the answer will be twice of radius. It is not asking the distance, it is only asking, the question is only asking the displacement. Okay. So total time is 140 seconds and the answer is 2 hours. Okay. Now the time to see the leaderboard. Oh, Sahil is late. Time to see the leaderboard. See, those who are late, don't worry. Just go to Google in your another device and search Menti Join. You will see a link, join a presentation, Mentimeter. Just go there and enter this code 5133005 and you will be able to participate in this quiz, because you have to submit answer through this Menti software, not using the live chat. Okay, so go there and submit your answer. Now let's see what is the, according to leaderboard, what is your rank. Okay, so Lakshya Gupta is on first rank, then Shubham Das, and then Magical Rhino, then Thinky, Aryan, Saundarya, Mr. Singh, Aman and Pratik. Okay, so those who have not joined, quickly search Menti Join on Google and click on Mentimeter join a presentation. There the website will ask you a code. The code is in front of your screen. 5133005 is the Menti code. Okay. Okay, so technical Vedant, it is fastest. That's good. Yes, Thinky is the fastest. Thinky has given the answer quickly. So let's go to the next question. Okay. Question number 3rd out of 15 is in front of your screen. Look at your phone. Okay, what happened? I think there is a problem. Don't worry. I will show you the question in screen. See, the question is this. A body covers 1/3 of the distance with a velocity v1. Okay. The second 1/3 distance with a velocity v2 and the remaining distance with a velocity v3. Then find the average velocity. Okay, you can see the question on your screen on this YouTube of if you are not getting the question in your Menti quiz, you can see question here. Don't worry, every one of you can see the question here and answer this question on that Menti. Aryan Dadich, you can see the question from here. Menti is Santi. Sometimes it do not show the question. Don't worry. So answer fast. A body covers 1/3 of the distance with a velocity v1, the second 1/3 distance with a velocity v2, and the remaining distance with a velocity v3. Then you have to calculate the average velocity. Don't worry, Lakshya Gupta. Okay, Shubham has done. Lakshya has also done. Lakshya, you don't have to answer here, as I told you. Answer only in Menti, not in live chat. Okay. Aryan Dadich has already done. That's good. Let's see how many of you. Okay. So result is here. Answer is option 2. Okay. 10 students has answered. Now let us see why the answer is option 2. See, it is given that 1/3 distance is covered with a velocity v1. See, if it is starting from here and going in this direction, okay, suppose this is the total distance. So this 1/3 distance is covered. Suppose this distance is s, this distance is s, again this distance is s. This distance is covered with velocity v1, this distance is covered with velocity v2, and this distance is covered with velocity v3. Okay. Now, what is the average velocity? Average velocity is total displacement upon total time. So what is total displacement? Total displacement is 3s. See, s plus s plus s. And what is total time? See, to cover this distance, time was, T1 was s by v1. To cover this distance, time was s by v2. To cover this distance, time was equals to s by v3. Okay, so what is the total time? It is s by v1 plus s by v2 plus s by v3, and average velocity is total displacement upon total time. So after solving, you will get the answer as option 2. Okay. Okay, Lakshya, good. Yes, Ashwin, we will start that chapter also. Now, let us see what is the ranking of all of you according to the leaderboard. Okay, so there will be some shuffling. Okay, see, as you can see, the Lakshya Gupta is first, then Shubham, Aryan, Vinila, Thinky, Saundarya, Singh, Mr. Singh, Aman, and Dr. Mohammed. Okay, so let's move on to our next question. If you answer fast, you will get more points. Okay, but you have to answer correctly. Wrong answer, you will not get points. Answer fast to get more points. Okay, the question is, a particle moves along a straight line OX. At a time t, the distance x of the particle from O is given by using this equation. How long would the particle travel before coming to rest? Yes, Ashwin, we will also start the motion in 2 dimension. Six students has answered, that's good. But you have only 55 seconds remaining, so answer fast. And any one of you, if you want to talk about the upcoming chapter, you can use the comment section after this live end of the live streaming. Good. Shubham, Lakshya and Aryan has answered. Beta, share this session to all of your friends. Share this session using WhatsApp, Facebook and Instagram to all of your friends so that everyone can take participation. And important thing, you should subscribe this channel. Before that, like this session and then subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Because once you subscribe and press the bell icon, you will get the notifications of upcoming quizzes like this and important lectures. Okay, so all of you who are watching this video, just hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Okay, and also like the session. So time is up. Let's see what is the answer. The correct answer is option 4 and many of you have answered option 3. So don't worry. Let me discuss the question. See, it is given in the question that the particle is starting. So particle is moving along x-axis. Okay, at time t, the x coordinate as a function of time is given like this. So what is its initial location? Okay, at t equals to 0, as you can see, x is equals to 40 meters. Okay, that means initially it is not present at origin. No, the particle is present at this coordinate where x is equals to 40 meters. Okay, the particle is initially present here at t equals to 0. Okay, now because the particle is moving in this direction, it is asking how long would the particle travel before coming to rest. As you can see, if I differentiate this, I will get the velocity. So what is the velocity? Velocity is 12 minus 3t square. So velocity is positive initially, as you can see, but it will become negative due to this negative 3t square. So particle will go like this and then it will take turn and move to the negative direction. Okay, so it is asking how long would the particle travel before coming to the rest. So at this point, its velocity will be 0 for a moment. So the question is asking you this distance, not the total distance from origin. It is asking this distance. Okay, so put velocity is equals to 0, you will get t is equals to 2 seconds. Okay, and now put this t equals to 2 seconds here, and you will get this x coordinate is equals to 56 meters. Okay, so the x coordinate is 56, but the question is asking how long it will travel before coming to rest. So it is traveled this distance, which is 56 minus 40. So this is 16 meters. Okay, that is why answer is 16. The question is not asking you the final x coordinate at velocity 0. The question is asking the distance traveled by it before coming to rest. So this distance traveled is equals to 56 minus 40. That is 16 meters. Okay. Yes, Lakshya, it will be over till then. Now, so this was the solution. I hope you will not do this mistake again. So let's see the leaderboard. Okay, so this is the leaderboard. Now, let's move to our next question. Answer fast to get more points. A body moving with a uniform acceleration describes 4 meters in third second and 12 meters in fifth second. Then the distance described in the next 3 seconds is. Options are given, and this is a timer. Answer fast to get more points. Dear Aryan, see, you can watch these videos anytime if you want. Okay, all this video will be available on YouTube, so you can watch it. Okay. It is given that the body is moving with a uniform acceleration. Okay, and it describes 4 meters in third second, not up to 3 seconds, but in third second. Pavan Gupta, the code is 5133005. Okay. Good, Lakshya. How many of you have completed? Let me know on the live chat. Okay, don't write the answer. Don't type answer on the live chat. Just write that you have done. Okay, so time is up. And the answer is option 3. Now let us see why the answer is option 3. See, if a body is moving with uniform acceleration, we can say displacement in nth second is equals to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. If you do not know the formula, just go and watch my previous lectures in which I have explained this formula with derivation along with some examples. Okay, if anybody of you are facing a problem in solving question, I suggest you to watch my previous lecture, Motion in One Dimension. The complete chapter is present on this channel, so you can see. So displacement in third second, put n equals to 3, and you will get displacement in third second, which is 4. The relation between u and a, this is the n equation, and it is given that displacement in fifth second is 12. So put n equals to 5, and you will get one more relation between u and a. After solving these two equations, you will get u equals to minus 6 and a is equals to 4 meters per second square. So it is asking the distance described in next 3 seconds. That means in 6 seconds plus 7 seconds plus 8 seconds. Or we can say the total displacement up to 8 seconds minus the total displacement up to 5th second is the answer. Okay, so just And what is the displacement up to 8 seconds? It will be, you are going to apply S equals to ut plus half at square. Okay, so by using this formula you will get answer as 60 meter. Okay, so answer is option 3. Now let's see the leaderboard. Those who are new, I suggest you to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that you can study. See, I have taught this whole chapter, I have completed all this whole chapter in this channel. Okay, so you can go and watch. So Lakshya Gupta has first rank again, then Shubham, then Aryan, Vinila, Saundarya, Aman, Thinky, this Mr. Singh and Dr. Mohammed. Okay, now get ready for the next question. Answer fast to get more points. Okay. Okay, so displacement is given. X is equals to a naught plus a1t by 2 minus a2t square by 3. Okay, and here a naught, a1 and a2, they are constant. So what you have to do, you have to find the acceleration. This is a simple question. Yes, Lakshya, that can be done without formula, using derivation of your own formula. Now solve this. All of you hit the like button and press the subscribe button. Okay, so that you can get the notifications of upcoming quizzes, which are very beneficial for your NEET exam and also to improve your concepts for your school exams. Okay, everyone has answered, that's good. So the correct answer is option 2. As I can see, some of the students has chosen wrong answer. Beta, if you didn't watch those lectures, I suggest you to watch my previous lectures that is available on this channel. Just search my name, Sumit Talwani, and motion in one dimension, and you will see there, along with eCareerPoint. Okay. Now, as you know, if I differentiate this relation, I will get velocity, which is dx by dt. Okay, so differentiate once, you will get velocity is equals to a1 by 2 minus 2a2 t by 3. And what is acceleration? Acceleration is differentiation of velocity, that is equals to minus 2a2 by 3. So answer is option 2. If you have any confusion in differentiation or integration, you can watch my previous lectures. Okay, now time to see the leaderboard. Okay, so this is the leaderboard. Lakshya, Shubham, Aryan, Saundarya, Aman, Vinila, Thinky. Okay, don't worry. See, if you are taking too much time, you need a little practice, and you can practice with these live session. Okay, I am taking 11th class on this channel in English medium, so you can attend those live classes free of cost. What you have to do, just hit the subscribe button so that you can get the notifications of schedule. Now let's go. Answer fast to get more points. Good, Aryan, you are in third. Oh, Shubham, you did the negative sign mistake. So this is the question. This is again the question of average speed. The same formula we are going to use. If a car covers 2/5 of the total distance with velocity v1 is speed, and 3/5 distance with the if speed v2, then what is the average speed? Okay, as I told you, average speed is not the average of a speed, but it has its own definition that I will explain in the solution. First of all, you just try to attempt by yourself this question. Okay, and all of you, Just subscribe this channel so that you can attend these live classes free of cost. "37 seconds remaining and 8 students has already answered. Okay, so time is up and answer is option 4. As I can see, maximum students has given the correct answer, but don't worry, those students has answered wrong. I will explain the question. See, as you know, average speed is not the average of speed. No, it is not the average of speed. The definition of average speed is total distance traveled divided by total time taken. Okay. So, if the particle has covered 2/5 of its total displacement, suppose I am considering the total displacement is s. So, 2/5 displacement is with velocity v1. So, time taken to cover was 2s by 5v, and the next 3/5 distance with velocity v2. So time traveled, the time taken to cover that distance t2 will be 3s by 5v. Okay, so what is total distance? It is 2 by 5s plus 3 by 5s, that is s1 plus s2, and total time is t1 plus t2. So, if you put the values in this formula, you will get answer as option 4. Okay, very simple. Okay, Lakshya, I will see that. I think we have posted. Okay, now let's see the results. Many of you have given the correct answer, so there is a chances. There are chances of shuffling. So Aryan was fastest in this question, but Lakshya Gupta has he has secured first rank again. Okay, so don't worry, just try your best to get at the top. The basic idea behind this, the basic aim behind this quiz is learning. Okay, so don't get nervous if you are getting wrong answers. Getting wrong answers is the process of learning. I am explaining for you all the questions. So next question, answer fast to get more points. Okay. If a body starts from rest, travels 120 centimeter in 6 seconds, not up to 6 seconds, in 6 seconds, then what is the acceleration? And by the options, you can see the acceleration is constant. So you can use those equations in which acceleration is required to be constant. Good, Lakshya has again done quickly, as I can see. 6 students has already answered. That's good. But I share this session to all of your friends so that everyone can take participation. Okay? And hit the like button. Every one of you hit the like button and share this to all of your friends using WhatsApp, Insta and Facebook. And the most important, subscribe the channel. Once you subscribe, you will get the notifications. Subscribe and hit the bell icon. You will get the notifications of upcoming quizzes and the upcoming important lectures. Okay? Shubham Das, it is okay from our side, as I can see. So you just refresh your connection and the problem will be solved. Oh, Lakshya. So you will tease your friends after getting prize. Okay, the answer is option 3. Let's see why the answer is option 3. See, a body starts from rest. That means initial velocity is 0 and travels 120 centimeter in 6th second. What is the formula of displacement in nth second? It is u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1, where u is initial velocity and a is acceleration. So put n equals to 6 and Sn is given as 120 centimeter, which is 120 by 100 meter. Okay, and u is given as 0. By putting these values here, you will get answer as option this 3. Okay, so it is very easy. Now let us check the leaderboard. Let's check the leaderboard for your ranking. Okay, so Vanilla is on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th rank. As I can see, there was the shuffling. Lakshya is again at top, then Shubham, then Aryan, then Saundarya, then Vanilla, then Aman. Okay, so don't worry, just try your best, and the main aim yours should be to learn with your mistakes. Okay. Okay, Shivansh, don't worry. Gaurav, you are late. Shivansh, beta, don't worry. Just write your problem in comments. Okay, don't write your problem in chat. Just write your problem in comment after the stream end, so that we can see your concern. Don't worry, we will see for this. Now, next question. That is the 9th question after 15. So, the question is, if the velocity of particle is 10 plus 2t square, then the average acceleration of the particle between 2 seconds and 5 seconds is. Those who are new, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Also share this session to all of your friends so that everyone can take benefit of this free quota coaching classes using YouTube. Shivans, actually you are from 9th class, so this quiz is actually for 11th class students. Those who are new, they can join this quiz using this Menti code 5133005. Okay. Yes, Lakshya, we will post a poster on community. Don't worry. Answer this question. As I can see, 11 students has already answered. So, only 13 seconds are remaining. All of you hit the like button and share this to all of your friends. So, time is up. Time is up. Oh, correct answer is option 4. Now, let's see what mistake you made. See, first of all, you should know what is average acceleration. Average acceleration is equals to change in velocity divided by time taken to change that velocity. Okay, so because the velocity is given as a function of time, so you can find out velocity at 2 seconds and velocity at 5 seconds. Okay, suppose v1 is at t equals to 2 seconds. So put t equals to 2, you will get the value of v1. Then put at t equals to 5 seconds and you will get v2 velocity. That means velocity at 5 seconds. Then what you have to do? v2 minus v1 is delta v, and what is time taken to change the velocity? As you can see, it is 5 minus 2. If you put these values here, you will get answer as option 4. Okay, this is the method. Average acceleration means change in velocity divided by time taken to change that velocity. Okay, so put t equals to 2, you will get velocity at t equals to 2. Put t equals to 5 there in the formula of velocity, you will get velocity at t equals to 5 seconds. Then the change in velocity will be 5, this v2 minus v1, and the time taken to change this velocity is 5 minus 2. Okay, so now let's see the leaderboard for your ranking. And don't worry with the ranking. See, the aim is to learn from your mistakes. Okay, this is not NEET exam. You will give NEET exam, which is in next year. See, Lakshya Gupta is on top, then Shubham, then Aryan, then Vinila, then Saundarya, Aman, and then Sanjana Thinking, and Mr. Singh. So let's go to our next question. A ball is dropped into a well in which the water level is at a depth h below the top. If the speed of sound is c, then the time after which the splash is heard will be given by which of the following? This is a good question. Beta Lakshya, okay, Shubham. Gaurav, that's good. Lakshya, if you want JEE classes, you can subscribe our channel for JEE. We have another channel for JEE preparation. Okay. Good, Gaurav, you have completed it. Well done. Hit the like button, every one of you, and share this session to maximum of your friends. Yes, that is a good question. You need to think. So answer is option 1, and let's see how the answer is option 1. See, according to the question, if this is the water level and you throw a stone from this height, so the stone will take time t1, which is equals to under root 2h by g. Okay, then when the stone hit the water, the sound will generate. Then the sound will come to you and take time t2. The stone has taken time t1 to reach to the water, and the sound has taken time t2 to reach to you. Okay, so from here to here, if you apply second equation of motion, you will get the time is equals to under root of 2h by g, and the speed of sound is constant. It has no acceleration, so time taken by sound to come from this point to this point will be h by c, and if you add these two times, that will be the total time after which you will heard the sound just after dropping the stone. So answer is option 1. Okay, now let us see the ranking, your ranking according to the leaderboard. So there may be some shuffling, as I can see. Okay, let's see. Yes, shuffling is there. Sanjana has answered very fast. Okay, but still the Lakshya is at top, then Shubham, Vinila, Saundarya, Aryan, Aman, Sanjana, and so on. So let's go to our next question. Answer fast to get more points. A car accelerates from rest at a constant rate of 2 meters per second square for some time. Then it retards at a constant rate 4 meters per second square and then come to rest. It remain in motion for 6 seconds. Then what is the maximum speed of this car? The question is very, very good. Let me give you a hint that you will need to draw graph of this question, velocity time graph. If you draw velocity time graph, it will be easy for you. The calculation will be easy. But hit the like button, every one of you, and share this session to maximum of your friends. Oh, Shubham, you have given the wrong answer. Don't worry, I will explain the question. Okay, so answer is option 1, and as I told you, the question was very good. So let us see how the answer is option 1. See, if we draw the graph, this is time, this is velocity. See, the car is starting from rest. That means at t equals to 0, the velocity was 0. At the rate of 2 meters per second square. So its speed is increasing, as you know, because the acceleration is constant. So acceleration is constant, that means the graph of velocity time will be a straight line. If you know how to draw graph, I have already made some videos, like I have already taken live lectures. You can see those live lectures. Okay, it is increasing at the rate of 2 meters per second square. So it means that if this is angle is theta 1, so tan theta 1 is equals to 2. Then it retards at a constant rate of 4 meters per second square. If this angle is theta 2, then tan theta 2 is equals to 4. And if this angle is theta 3, then tan theta 3 will be minus 4. So this angle will be tan theta 2 equals to 4. Now, if this is the maximum speed, how to draw graph? If you want to learn how to draw graph, I have already taken lectures on it. So you can go and watch the lectures. See, the total time is 6 seconds. That means if this time is t1 and this time is t2. So I can say t1 plus t2 is equals to 6 seconds. Okay. Now, what is tan theta? Tan theta is perpendicular by base. That means Vmax divided by t1. From here you will get the value of t1 in terms of this Vm. From here you will get what is tan theta 2, it is perpendicular by base. So again Vm by t2. From here you will get the value of t2 in terms of Vm. So put t1 plus t2 equals to 6, you will get Vm is equals to 8 meters per second. Okay. So this is how we can solve this problem. Now let us see the ranking according to the leaderboard. The quiz is going to end. Oh, Lakshya got wrong answer. Don't worry, Aryan and Anish got the right answer, and Aryan was fastest. If you want to learn the graphs, just go and watch my previous lecture. Just search on YouTube eCareerPoint-English medium Sumit Talwani motion in one dimension, and you will see the whole playlist for this chapter motion in one dimension. Now next question for you, answer fast to get more points. Okay, don't worry if it is not visible, I will show you. See, this is the question. If you are not getting question on Menti site, you can see the question here. A lift in which man is standing is moving upward with a speed of 10 meters per second. The man drops a coin from a height of 4.9 meters, and if G is equals to 9.8 meters per second square, then the coin reach the floor of the lift after the time which of the following? If you are not getting the question on your Menti, you can see it from here. Okay, don't worry, see it and try to answer this. you can use relative motion concept to solve this problem. You can also solve this problem with respect to ground, but that will be more difficult. Okay. Lakshya Gupta, don't answer here. As I told you, you have to answer in Menti. Okay, don't worry, result, I will show you the result. How much time is left? Okay, the time is up. So the correct answer was option 2. Now let's see how option 2 is the correct one. See, if the lift is going upward with velocity 10 meter per second and the coin is dropped at t equals to 0. So initial velocity of coin with respect to ground is 10 meter per second, but with respect to lift it is 0. So we are solving this question with respect to lift. The distance traveled by this is equals to the height h, which is half g t square. I am solving this question with respect to lift. So this distance traveled will be ut plus half at square. U is 0, so distance will be half gt square, where this distance height traveled by this coin is with respect to lift. Okay, and acceleration is again g, because lift acceleration is 0. So with respect to lift, h is equals to half gt square. That means t is equals to under root of 2h by g. So answer is option 2. Okay. Now let's see the leaderboard for your ranking. As you can see, there is some shuffling. Lakshya, Shubham and Vinila are in top 3, then Saundarya, Aryan, Aman and Sanjana. So let's move on to our next question. Okay, in this question you can see the graph, and what you have to do, see, this is what displacement time graph is shown here, and you have to tell me what is the acceleration of the particle from O to A to B, B to C and C to D. Only the sign, whether the acceleration is positive, negative or 0. This is the question. And remember, the graph is between displacement and time. If you want to learn the graphs, I suggest you to watch my previous lectures. Yes, Pavan, due to lag, you can see this. The Menti is fastest, so you should keep your eyes on that Menti website. Okay, actually both happens in the same time, but due to this live telecast, there is some lag. Only 32 seconds are remaining. Answer quickly. Let me see how many of you have answered. Okay, so 11 students has answered. You have to tell me only positive, negative and 0. And remember, this is displacement time graph. This is not velocity time graph. The slope of velocity time graph gives the acceleration. Okay. And the slope of displacement time graph gives the velocity. So using that concept, you have to answer. Okay, so the correct answer is option 2. As I can see, many of you have answered option 1, but don't worry, I will tell you what is the concept behind it. See, let me draw it here. See, from O to A, as you can see, the slope is decreasing. This is the greater slope, then less, then less. Because from O to A, slope is decreasing and slope of displacement time graph is velocity. Velocity is decreasing from O to A. So from O to A, the acceleration is negative. Then from A to B, the slope is same. That means no change in velocity. If velocity is not changing, that means acceleration is 0. Then from B to C, as you can see, if I draw tangent to several points, the slope is increasing. Slope is increasing and slope of displacement time graph is velocity. So velocity is increasing from B to C. That means from B to C, the acceleration is positive. Then from C to D, as you can see, slope at every point is the same straight line as that of CD. So from C to D, the slope is not changing. That means velocity is not changing. And because velocity is not changing from C to D, so it is 0. The question was not asking you the sign of velocity. It was asking you the sign of acceleration. Okay. So keep this in mind. Read the question carefully. Now, let's see the leaderboard. I can see the new students in this top 10 list. That's good. So difference between first rank and second rank is not so much. Shubham can improve his rank. Now let's move to our second last question, and you have only 2 questions to improve your rank. But don't worry, our aim is to learn from the quiz. Okay, let me show you the question. If you're not able to get the question, this is the question. See, the speed of a car as a function of time is shown in the figure. Find the distance traveled by the car in 8 seconds and its acceleration. It is velocity time graph. From this velocity time graph, you have to calculate the distance traveled in up to 8 seconds and the acceleration. And definitely acceleration is constant, as you can see. So answer this question. Don't worry if you're not getting the question in your phone. I'm showing you the question here. This is the question of graph. If you want to learn graph efficiently, I suggest you to watch my previous lecture. And all of you, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get notifications. Okay, and share this session to all of your friends. Also hit the like button. Don't worry, Lakshya, I have given you the question here. You can see it. Lakshya, see the question from here and you can answer there. Here is the question. This is the question, beta. Only 4 seconds remaining. This is the question and answer is option 4. How our answer is option 4? See this. This is velocity time graph. Area under velocity time graph gives us the displacement, and because it is traveling in a straight line, so distance will be equal to displacement. So this area is equals to half into base 8 into height 20. Half into 20 into 8, that is 80. So distance traveled is 80 meter, and slope. How to calculate slope? See, tangent to every point will be the same line. So if this angle is theta, tan theta is the slope, which is equals to, I can calculate the slope from this point. It is 10 by 4, which is 2.5. So acceleration is 2.5 meter per second square. Hence answer is option 4. Okay. Now let's see the leaderboard. Okay. Now the last question, which will define your final rank. The last question will define your final rank. So be ready. If question is not visible, don't worry. I am showing you question here. This is the question. The variation of velocity of the particle with time moving along a straight line is shown in the graph. You have to calculate the distance traveled by the particle in 4 seconds. Up to 4 seconds, what is the distance traveled? Again, I am telling that this is not the path of the particle. The particle is traveling in a straight line. The path is a straight line, but this is showing the velocity time graph. Okay. Don't worry, Pavan. See this from here. This is the last question. "32 seconds left. How to calculate displacement from velocity time graph? I have illustrated in the lectures. If you want to study, you can go and watch the lectures. Nagendra Singh. Okay, beta, don't answer it here. Answer in the Menti. So, time is up and the correct answer is Option 2. Option 2 is the correct answer. Let's see how option 2 is the correct answer. See, it is asking the distance traveled because it is moving in a straight line without changing the velocity. So distance will be equal to displacement. Area under velocity time graph gives the displacement. So if you calculate this area, you will get the distance traveled by the particle from 0 to 4 seconds, and that is equals to 55 meters. So answer is option 2. So that is the end of the quiz. Okay, this is the end of the quiz. So let's see what is the final ranking. Let's see what is the final ranking. Lakshya Gupta is on top. Second is Shubham Das. Third is Vanilla. Fourth is Aryan. And then, as you can see, Saundarya, Aman, Sanjana, John, Gaurav. Okay. So that is end of the quiz. I hope you like it. Beta, hit the subscribe button so that you can get the notification of upcoming quizzes. Okay. And also the free classes from YouTube from this eCareer Point quota coaching. Okay, yes, Shubham, congratulations to you also. You were second and the difference was very less. Okay, so beta, if you don't have this app, I suggest you to download this app right now, and after downloading, follow your experts so that you can attempt the questions posted by your experts. Okay, again, we have a doubt help app. If you want to ask doubts, you can ask doubts here. You can discuss your doubts here. So this is end of this quiz. Better just subscribe this channel if you are new. Share this to all your friends and hit the like button. And tell me in the comments which chapter you want to study in our classes. Okay? In the comment, not in the chat, in the comment. So if you want to study, see, we have taken the I have taken the lectures of motion in one dimension, and this was the quiz. Next chapter, I will take the classes and then again quiz. If you want to attend classes, just hit the subscribe button and stay tuned to our channel. Okay, so this is Sumit Talwani signing out. Thank you very much.